Mr. Guo from Inspur, the OpenRMC version 1.0 northbound management API is primary among Inspur's announcements at the OCP Reguinal Summit here. What does it bring to the OCP and data center communities?
I think 2 points. Firstly, we hope our management capability could be expanded to the whole rack systems, not only for the individual Inspur server system, but also we can monitor and manage the third-party component and systems, including the fan, the power units in the rack system. And secondly, we hope we have the collaboration. As you said, that we have the northbound API. So obviously there will be other vendors who focus on the southbound API. So we can work together to bring up a comprehensive solution to the industries.
Thank you. Open Compute Project started its efforts several years ago. Where is OCP now in terms of achievements on a global level, do you think?
Yeah, I think we OCP is an open community, especially for the hardware systems. We already have the OpenStack solution who will focus for the software and the virtualization, and OCP will bring up a platform who provides the one of the community that the end users who can pick up the open standard solutions, and also the vendors who can provide the standard solution, who can reduce the total cost ownership for the end users. So I think this community has been broader and broader accepted by the IT industry, and we hope that Inspur could take part into this community aggressively, and we can bring the solutions who can provide the solution fitting into the customer's needs and be mutual benefit with the ecosystem.
Thank you. Inspur will announce the release of OpenRMC version 2.0 with a complete reference solution in 2020. What can we expect? OpenRMC 1.0 is one of the reference system that we can provide the API and help the customer to can manage the whole rack solution. And that's one of the step by step. We have the whole roadmap. At the beginning, we have the OpenBMC solution focused for Inspur servers. And continually, we have the Open RMC, who expand our, the Open BMC capability to the rack solution. And in the future, we will have the Open RMC 2.0. So that will be a landing solution, not only the API, the software, but also the reference system, so that the customer and the other counterparts, vendors, they can learn from the OpenRMC to build up the whole solution. So, we hope our capability not only benefit ourselves, it can be duplicated by the open ecosystem. Okay. There are some other announcements being made by Inspur during this OCP event. Can you share with us what it is and what's the value of these announcements?
Yes, definitely. We have announced several products who has been open to the OCP and been accepted. So, for example, we have the ON83 88 M5, who is a 3OU rack system, can provide 4 processors, and also who accommodate the GPU, so which can be AI servers who provide the training workload to the end users. Also, we have the iFlex 2.0 system, which is based on the
T-Flex 2.0 spec, and also we have the we call it OEM, who is derivative from the X-Man 4.0 system. Collaborate with AI. Collaborate with Baidu, who is also an AI solution. So we, as you see, we have the whole rack solutions.
Thank you, Mr. Guo. Thank you for your time.